Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our brand new video. You can see they have one red color school bus, wow, nice color, and one R17 bike. You can see they have red color fire car, one yellow color excavator, and two taxis, pink color and yellow color. You can see guys, today we all hand drive to you. You can see our hand drive video. First we can hand drive our bus. Guys, that's all for today we already finished our hand drive. You can see they have all vehicles, one red color bike and one red color bus is nice cooler, and one army jeep, one excavator and two taxis.